Hello little learners. Let's learn about farm animals. Rabbit. Rabbits are known for their long ears and strong hind legs. They are prolific breeders and can have large litters of baby rabbits, called kits. Chicken. Chickens are domesticated birds that provide us with eggs and meat. They come in various breeds and colors with distinct personalities. Duck. Ducks are excellent swimmers and have webbed feet for paddling. They have waterproof feathers that keep them dry while swimming. Rooster. Roosters are male chickens known for their crowing at dawn. They have colorful plumage and protect their flock from predators. Bull. Bulls are adult male cattle known for their strength and size. They are often featured in rodeo events like bull riding. Keep appreciating our wonderful farm friends. Until next time, goodbye and happy farming.